What would 9:45 on a Thursday morning be without a little beer? Because that's
It would
what
be
you...
9:45 Friday morning.
We want to get you started this morning, headed into a holiday weekend the right way, and Deschutes Brewery is here this morning. Aaron Callahan is here all the way from Oregon.
Hello, Columbus.
Nice.
Thanks for having us.
What brings you all the way to Ohio?
Well, Ohio's a great state for craft beer. We wanted to partner with our nonprofit Yay Bikes here in Columbus and really promote our product. We've been in the state since the beginning of the year, and we think Columbus is just a great area for craft beer drinkers.
So if we see the giant barrel rolling down the street...
Don't run after it or anything like that. It could be dangerous. But follow him to wherever he's going, and he'll open up and display a mobile pub. It's a good time on wheels.
Oh, that's awesome.
And where will he be likely to stop?
We're going to be going out to Winking Lizard in Crosswoods this evening. We're going to have a parking lot party out there.
Nice.
That's going to benefit Yay Bikes. Proceeds go to them, and we're actually going to be matching that donation as well. We're going to be going out to a block party up in downtown Delaware as well, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, we're going to block off a couple of streets, roll the barrel in there, just have a blast. I mean, he's a real good time. Then on Saturday, we're doing Bike the Sea Bus, so come out and ride your bikes with us. Great way to see Columbus in a new way.
So who got the task of pulling this down the highway?
Our good man Jordan is what we call a Woody Wrangler. He wrangles Woody in and out of town. He's going to pop her open here in just a second.
Let's see what we got going on
Let's
in
see.
there.
This thing becomes a mobile pub. Look at that.
Hey!
Just all of a sudden, out of nowhere,
Yeah.
and it's a pub.
And we've got speakers and everything ready to
So
roll.
what's the difference between a craft beer and a beer that you would just get at a store?
Well, our craft beers are sold at stores, of course. That's
Right.
how we get them into the market.
Sure.
Craft beers are beers that are produced with fine quality products by small, independent, traditional breweries. So we use wonderful ingredients like whole hop flours. Deschutes Brewery is one of the largest consumers of whole hops on the planet. A lot of breweries may use hop extracts or hop pellets. Well, we do some for beers like our IPA. We also use the whole hop flours primarily. It gives our beer a more natural flavor and aroma.
Wow.
How do you stay slender in hock beer?
I'm a very busy man. I do a lot of walking and talking about beer.
Gotcha.
Yep.
So Deschutes, is it locally? We can get this here or not?
You can get this here. You
Okay.
can find it at stores all over the state.
Okay.
It's on tap at great bars and restaurants as well.
Is the IPA the big one that
Is
sells?
that the biggie now?
Our IPA is very popular. The summer seasonal has become very popular as well. Twilight's a real easy drinking beer. It's a great entry-level craft beer. Mirror Pond is our best seller and the second best-selling pale ale in the nation, even though it's only sold in half the states. And we also offer the #1 craft brewed porter. Black Butte outsells any other porter in America, followed closely by Edmund Fitzgerald. We actually collaborated with Great Lakes Brewing on a batch of porter
I don't even know.
last
What
year.
is
Up to the
porter? I
Cleveland.
don't even know what porter is.
Porter's a traditional English-style ale.
Okay.
It was made popular by the train porters, the baggage handlers in England.
Oh.
And it's a darker style, but it doesn't come off heavy. It's not thick. It's a
not like
real
a Guinness
easy
so
drinking
much?
dark
Okay.
beer.
Right.
It,
Okay.
you know, if you were blindfolded and tasted it, you wouldn't think it was a dark beer. So
That's
it's
a
really
really
light on the
weird way
palate.
to drink beer. I tell you that right
When
now.
you say an entry level, I mean, it's almost like you've got to work your way up to it. Explain how that works.
Well, your palate develops. You know, as a child, we didn't really like pungent or spicy foods, you know, but as you grow older, you start getting into the more extreme flavors.
Right.
So when I started getting into craft beer, I liked reds and browns, and now I'm going more into stouts and IPAs because my palate's progressed to the point where I like the more extreme styles.
You know,
Right.
I had heard in the past that Ohio and Columbus in particular is a great craft beer place. Now,
It
why
is.
is that?
There just seems to be a really well-educated populace here, foodies, you know,
Yeah.
people that really enjoy handcrafted products, and this area seems to be heavy in people that are really interested in good food,
Yeah.
good beer, and handmade products made with the finest ingredients.
That's
a
awesome.
lot of folks making their own around here
Yeah,
too.
there's a lot
So
of that
do
going
people
on.
show up with their own and say, "Here, try this. Tell me how I'm doing"?
They do, yes, absolutely. We had an event last night called Hats Off to Home Brewers over at Seventh Son Brewery. So we've been able able to collaborate with a lot of the different local purveyors, and really we're all brothers in arms. We don't see each other as much competition, but more as comrades in the industry where we like to help each other out. So it was really nice to collaborate with them and do our Hats Off to Homebrewers event where we gave out our recipes as well as our
that's
whole
awesome.
hop
Good for
flowers
you.
from the Northwest.
Well, Aaron, you cannot go away without talking about your beard and mustache.
I am currently in training, if you will, for the World Beard and Mustache Championships. It's coming up in
Fabulous.
Portland this fall.
Wonderful.
It's a lot of fun.
More importantly, I want to see him open a beer with that.
I feel like a beer rodeo champion
Yes.
here, but I'm afraid that might be a little risque for TV. There's not much to hold my pants up when I take this belt off.
Fair enough. Well, you said to take it up. Anyway,
Excellent.
you can find Woody around town this weekend. Lots coming up here on Good Day Columbus. We still have the OSU cheerleaders
We
are here
do,
this morning.
and I see Brutus's head casting a huge shadow on
Perhaps
the lawn.
they'd be interested in something like
You think? Really, college
No,
kids?
they're underage. They
That's
can't
right,
have that.
they can't do that. All
We'll
right.
be right back.